What's up, YouTube? Good morning. It's your boy Naturally Native. I'm back again with another video today. For today, I'm gonna make y'all a video on how I make my decadent vegan chocolate pancakes. Vegan chocolate pancakes. It's only a 4-step ingredients, so it's real easy to make. It's not like a whole process like you have to make the flour. There's no flour needed. Yeah, y'all, so I don't know what else to say. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Let's get on to the video. The ingredients for this would be almond milk, unsweetened or sweetened, your choice. I'm using a banana, ripe would be good. Some Hershey's cacao powder or cocoa powder, whichever you like. And some quick oats. So guys, I always try to blend my oats first before I even put all the other ingredients, but if you don't feel like doing this, you can definitely like skip this step and just put everything in and just blend it. I use a food processor, but you can definitely use a blender if you don't have a food processor, if you don't have access to one. Doesn't really matter. I like to blend them till they get finely blended. And I just post it a few times, pretty much, as you can see, just to get them finely chopped before I put in all my other ingredients like the banana and stuff. But yeah, after that, guys, I just adding all the ingredients like the bananas, the almond milk. As you can see, it spilled off a little bit, and I was a little hurt. But anyway, yeah, just putting all the other ingredients in. It doesn't really matter what order you put them in. I just always like to put in the solids first and then like the liquids and the other stuff in. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. And then after that, you just blend it up and you good from here to go. Just make sure that it's blended up real good so that there are no like chunks left, that there's no banana chunks, or you can't really see the oats like that, because you don't want that to be like showing up into your pancake, guys. So just make sure that you just make sure that it's real blended up well and everything's pretty much mixed in together. Next, I put the stove on to low heat and I put olive oil into the pan. You can definitely use butter if you would like to, but I only got olive oil. So next, you just take a spoon, like about a big size spoon, and just layer it into the pan, guys. And that's pretty much it. It's gonna cook like a regular pancake. It's not gonna do the most and have to do no extra stuff. You cook like a regular pancake, flip it in a few minutes, and then you done, like literally done. And guys, this is the finished product. You can definitely cook yours longer or cook yours less, but I definitely typed this off with my homemade peanut butter chunks, drizzle it with some syrup. And yes, guys, I say syrup in country, and then I add some nuts and some fruit. And guys, this is the finished product. Oh my God, it looks so good. So guys, this is the finished product of the pancakes. So good. Oh my God, this is my favorite recipe. But yeah, I wasn't gonna show y'all the hash because I didn't know how it was gonna come out, but I should have just went ahead and made the video because y'all, this looks so good. Oh my God. But back to taste test. I'm doing a taste test for y'all based on the pancakes. Oh my God, guys. It's not as hot as earlier because I had to cook the hash and I didn't cook it during I made the pancakes, so the pans got a little warm, but the peanut butter chunks definitely give the pancakes like a savory contrast because peanut butter is naturally savory. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you really doing with your life? Okay, that was so lame. And if you want to ask me a question or whatever, go ahead and just send me a comment down below. Let's get the discussion popping, y'all. All right, y'all.